do you have already your maintenance need to take while you're at your work? Or even medicine that needs to take in a specific time while you are outside? Due to lateness, did you sometimes forget your tumbler or your medicine kit? If this is your case, then this product is just right for you. By the way, my name is Ruivian I. De La Cruz of Grade 11 Loyalty under Accountancy, Business and Management. And today, I will present to you this product. Presenting MKOH Tumbler. It is 2-in-1 tumbler where you can have your tumbler and medicine kit at the same time. It has 2 drinks capacity which provides you 2 drinks in 1 tumbler. This tumbler is made up of high-quality plastic that prevents it from breaking and cannot be simply broken. The medicine kit attached to the tumbler is made up of heat-resistant material which avoids the medicine to melt. It's a 1-week medicine organizer so that you can arrange your medicine and maintenance accordingly by the day you need to take it. It has smart grip technology which helps the tumbler to not just slip or fall into your hands, especially to those who have wet hands. It is also a car cup holder friendly, so you can place it in your car without falling. It is also handy and easy to carry by hands, so you can bring it anytime, anywhere. It is easy to clean, leaving no stains and odors. It is leak-proof, preventing the drinks inside to spill. It also has vacuum insulation technology that stops the temperature inside, preventing hot drinks to cool easily. It is BPA-free, means no chemical odors, full-graded materials, and non-toxic, making it safe for the users to drink. It has rubber soles that prevents the tumbler to slip in some slippery surfaces. Eco-friendly tumbler. It also has washable stainless straw, avoiding the users to use plastic straws. It comes with different set of colors like blue, pink, and violet that suits your joyful and happy personality. You can avail this 30-ounce MKOH tumbler in the price of 320 pesos in department stores and other school and office supply stores nationwide. You can also find MKOH tumbler in some online shops like Lazada and Shopee with the same amount price. So, what are you waiting for? Open your online shopping app or go to the department stores near you and grab your own MKOH tumbler. Make your tumbler 2-in-1, then your forgetfulness will be gone.